Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can find are you coming to the tree filter for TikTok. So if you are looking for the filter here in the effect gallery, you will not find the filter here because this filter is not from TikTok. This filter is actually from Snapchat. So you need Snapchat for this one, and if you have Snapchat, then you can go to this website. Link to this website you can find in the description box below. In this website you will see the snap codes for this filter. There are a few snap codes, you can try them all. Some are with music also. So to try this filter, just tap on the snap code you want to use and open with Chrome, and this is the Pinterest page. Now tap on the snap code and open with Chrome again, and this is the snap code page. Now at the bottom you can see open Snapchat, tap there. Okay, this filter was already in my Snapchat, so I couldn't see the unlocking screen, but you will see unlock it for 48 hours. You have to tap there. Okay, and this is the effect. Now these are few other effects that I shown you in that website. Okay, so to use this effect you can make a video here. Okay, once your video is done, at the bottom of the screen you can see the download button. You can tap there to download the video, and you can move to TikTok. Now in TikTok you can see the upload button. You can tap there and you can browse the recorded video, and you can post it to your TikTok. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this are you coming to the tree filter for TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.